In a world teeming with life, where innocence often dances under the sun,
lived creatures of gentle spirit, like the humble rabbit family.
Their days were filled with simple joys, unaware of the shadows lurking nearby. But as dusk approached, a different path called them home. Towards the safety, or so they thought, of their ancient burrow. Within the echoing darkness, a new fear began to stir. Unseen, unheard, a lurking terror was about to reveal itself.
A trap, meticulously woven, awaited its unsuspecting prey.
From the deepest abyss, a monstrous presence emerged.
The gentle world of the rabbits was shattered by a nightmare.
Its many eyes gleaming with malice, its fangs dripping with venom. Entrapped, helpless, their fate seemed sealed. Silky threads of despair tightened around them.
Lost in the darkness, a glimmer of hope faded.
The monster retreated, leaving its victims to their silent terror. But beyond the shadowed cave, another legend stirred. A protector, a titan of the wild. He felt the tremor of fear, the silent cry of the innocent.
And with a thunderous stride, he answered the call.
The ominous entrance beckoned, a challenge to his very being. For within its depths, evil awaited. A beacon of fury, a weapon's salvation. The stage was set, the battle lines drawn. He entered the lair of shadows, unafraid. The sight of the ensnared innocents fueled his rage. From the darkness, the monster launched its first strike. Kong, ever vigilant, parried the blow. The scorching flame met the venomous leg. A sweeping arc of fire. The spider retaliated with a torrent of silk. Kong's massive hand became ensnared, but no web could hold the might of the mighty ape.
The spider, cunning and agile, launched a surprise attack.
Kong met force with fire, a direct hit. A searing wound, the monster shrieked in agony. A desperate counterattack, claws ripping at his flesh. Kong staggered,
But his resolve remained unbroken. The torch, a mere distraction, was cast aside. Now, it was time for raw power. The spider unleashed a barrage of webs, aiming to immobilize. But Kong's strength shredded every strand. The venomous fangs darted forward. Kong dodged with surprising speed, a mighty fist connecting. The spider reeled, disoriented. Kong seized his opportunity, gripping a powerful leg. A whirlwind of fury, smashing the monster against the cave floor. The cave quaked. The spider struggled desperately. Stone crumbled, dust billowed, but the spider persisted. Through the chaos, venomous webs flew. Kong shielded himself, pressing his relentless assault. The spider retreated, seeking a vantage point. Kong surveyed the cavern, his eyes burning with purpose. From above, a shower of corrosive venom. Kong recoiled, the deadly acid eating through the rock. An idea sparked, a strategy formed. Kong leaped, striking a massive stalactite.
The ancient rock groaned, then surrendered to gravity.
The spider, caught unaware, found itself in a deadly trap. Crippled, the spider plummeted to the cave floor. Kong advanced, his eyes fixed on the wounded beast. Even wounded, the monster fought back. A final, desperate spray of silk aimed at his vision. Kong blinked, but the sticky threads clung to his fur. He tore them away, his fury intensifying. The spider, in its final act of defiance, turned towards its captives. Kong roared, a primal cry of protection. He lunged, a blur of fur and muscle. Powerful blow, sending the spider sprawling. The monster's carapace cracked, its reign of terror nearing its end. Their eyes met, predator and protector. A final, desperate attempt at poison. Kong slammed his foot, the ground splitting beneath him. The spider, broken and defeated, cowered. The final blow was imminent.
The rabbits watched, their hearts pounding in anticipation.
With a thunderous crash, Kong's fist descended. The monstrous spider, crushed beneath the weight of justice, was no more.
Silence descended, a new calm in the once terrifying cave.
His duty fulfilled, his gaze softened. Gently, he began to unravel their prison.
The innocent, once trapped, were now safe.
Kong, the silent guardian, turned to leave.
Their savior, a legend in their eyes. He emerged from the darkness into the light. Back to his realm, his solitude.
The rabbit family, once again, danced in the sun.
Life returns to its gentle rhythm, the nightmare now but a fading memory.
But they will never forget the shadow that protected them. He remains the king, the watcher of the woods. Long live the king. In the heart of the jungle, the legend lives on.